to my channel. I'm Bola and you are welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Learn Math with Bola, where we make mathematics a walkover. Today I will be explaining and we will be learning together. The topic for today is writing Indo-Arabic numeral in Roman numeral. So in this tutorial I'll be explaining the concept of writing Indo-Arabic numeral in Roman numeral. Let's go and learn with me. So to explain this concept, I'll be solving some examples. I believe that as mathematics is all about solving questions, the more you solve, the more you are able to do, and sometimes it actually boosts our understanding of the topic. So let's write the following in Roman numeral. So we are going to write 17 in Roman numeral. 17 is a 2-digit number. So in this video I'll be using the expanded method to explain how to write in Roman numeral. So the expanded method is a very simple method. So all we'll be doing is to expand 17, separating the tens and the units. The tens part is going to have 10 plus the unit is 7. So when you add 10 plus 7, the result is 17. So it's just a simple concept of math. So to write 17 in Roman numeral, since we have already written it out in expanded form, the next step is to write each of those numbers in their Roman numeral equivalent. In the previous video I did, if you didn't watch that video, I'll leave the URL in the description area, so you can just check it out. I already listed some Roman numerals from 1 to 20, 1 to 10 rather, then I did 10 to 20, then 10 to 100. So I did some of them like that. I already listed them out, so you can just print it out and you can always just check it. You can put it on your walls, you can put it somewhere you can easily see it so that you can remember it. And even in that video I also explained how to combine Roman numerals to form other ones. So it's a video you can actually check out. So 10 is X and 7 is VI high. Don't forget that the V is 5, high and I, the repetitive property is 2. So add 5 and 2, we have 7. So the next step after writing this out is just to remove the addition sign and write out the Roman numerals alone. What do I mean by that? So our 17 will be equal to X, V, high and high. So as simple as that. So when you separate it into a Roman numeral, and you separate it into expanded form rather, then you write the Roman numeral equivalent, and all you have to do is just write out the Roman numerals alone and your question is solved. Let's take another example. 14. We do the same thing. We follow the same process. 14 is 10 plus 4, which is X plus IV. Yes, 4 is IV. So the next step is to write out only the Roman numeral without the addition sign. So we have 14 is X, IV. Good. 26. 20 plus 6. So we have XX plus VI, and that is XX V high. Very good. Another example, 59. 50 plus 9. Good. So the next step, your guess is as good as mine. You write it in Roman numeral, and 50 is L, 9 is IX. Good. So we write them together as LIX. Then 83. Try 83. I'm sure you are looking at it. Oh, 83, 83. So 2 seconds more. So 83 in expanded form is 80 plus 3, which will be LXXX. This is using the repetitive property. L is 50 and XXX is 30. So when you add 50 and 30, the result is 80. So we have plus 3 is also using the repetitive property, which is I, high, high. So we have together, we write it as L, X, 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 high, high, high. Good. 134. So we are moving on to a 3-digit number. The previous examples were 2-digit number, so moving on to a 3-digit number now. We have 134. It's the same process. We follow the same method. We write it out in expanded form. That is, we separate the units, the tens, and the hundreds. So we have 100 plus 30 plus 4, which is C. 100 is C, 30 is XXX, and 4 is IV. So all we'll do next is to remove the addition sign and combine the Roman numerals together to form CXXX, I and V. Very easy. Another one, 188. We have 100 plus 80 plus 8. So 100 is C, 80, then we have VIII, which will give us C, LXXX, VIII. As simple as that. You should kindly do this yourself in about 5 seconds. Kindly do this yourself. I'm counting. Oh, 2 seconds more. Then let's do it together. In expanded form, we have 200 plus 90 plus 3. And before I go on, have you pressed the subscribe button? Have you liked my page? Please kindly do. Kindly like my page, like on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe on YouTube. And you can also share this video to your friends, to your families. Thank you. So 200 is CC, 90 is XC, and 3 is I. We have CC, XC, I. So you can see it is very simple. I always say it every time in maths, in a math class, that mathematics is all about following the rules. Once you do, you get the answers correctly. And the funny thing about mathematics is, even if you don't do it the right way, you get an answer. But if you want to get the correct answer, you have to follow the instructions. So let's try 446 together. 400 plus 40 plus 6. Then the 400 is CD. The 40 is XL. Then the 6 is VI. So let's write them together, removing the addition sign. So the last example for this tutorial, 999, which when written in expanded form, you have 900 plus 90 plus 9. So CM XC plus IX. All we have to do to complete this is to have CM XC IX. So thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you have learned something. So kindly follow this page, subscribe on YouTube, follow me on my social media channels, my social media platforms. Kindly follow and also share this video. And if you have any topic you would like me to do a tutorial for, just send me a message on my Instagram or Facebook page, and you can also reach me by email at learnmathswithbola@gmail.com. Thank you. I love you guys. Bye.